Hi, I would like to spend a few minutes on something that's called Nemotron Terminal. There was a study released only a few days ago on this new model and also the data set that goes with it. And something I find very interesting, the last few months, there's been a lot of focus on terminal CLI, terminal control of command line control of systems. So everyone knows the first step to get to physical AI, embodied AI, is full autonomy in terms of digital AI. And digital AI is AI that's managing and controlling a computer or a machine. And what I find about interesting about the Nemotron terminal model is it's fine-tuned and optimized to interact with systems via the command line CLI. People talk about what about SaaS? SaaS applications normally don't have a marvelous CLI or command line. Well, they're going to collapse into the model. I've written about that in the past. But suffice to say that for Linux, Unix-based machines, AIX from IBM, etc., command line is really powerful. Even on my Mac, I used my command line all the time, even prior to all the CLI tools. But I think the best way to understand this is to take a look at a little prototype I built. So this Gradio prototype gives you some good insights in terms of how Nemotron terminal work. So Nemotron is only a model, it's not an agent. So this is the scaffolding I put together to act as an agent. You can see the output schema of Nemotron. So Nemotron is not a chat model, it actually exports or outputs JSON files. So here's the output schema. You can see the keystrokes there, the planning. Here are some of the allowed commands. So if I just choose one of these, list all the files in a directory. So there you can see my input. There's the Nemotron terminal response with the analysis and with the keystrokes. This is what the output will look like. At the bottom, I just included a governance trace, just to give some insight into the turns that was taken. So as you can see, JSON is returned. So this model can act as a sub-model in a agentic workflow to really interact with the terminal. And then lastly, there's a very good study that's on arXiv on data engineering for scaling large language model terminal capabilities. There's some architecture in there. So I'll link to my GitHub repository and also to the study. Thanks.